Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix third monitor is not detected in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to Device Manager. On Device Manager, look for Display Adapters. Right click on it and select your GPU and then disable device. Right, and once your GPU is disabled, try to connect your third monitor and look if error fixed or not. And when you connect the monitor, you can re-enable your GPU, right? Still, if the problem persists, look under the monitor section here if your monitor is detected here. And if it's detected, then make sure to update all your monitor's drivers and look if it's working for you or not. If it's still not working, then go to Display Settings. Display Settings. On Display Settings, you need to expand multiple display here, and then make sure press on Detect Other Display, and also make sure that this option is selected, extend these displays, right? Also press Windows NP and then make sure this option is selected and your monitor should work. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more.